Hello! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the display option, and here find and tap on the brightness option. As you can see, we have 3 levels of brightness: level 1, level 2 and level 3. Select the level you like by tapping on it, and once you're done you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.